Hey guys, welcome back to Kali J's Kitchen. Today I'll take you back in the kitchen with me and I'll show you how I prepared my pot jerk shrimp. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment, and tell a friend to tell another friend about Kali J's Kitchen. You can also follow me on Facebook, it's Kali J's Kitchen. Follow me on Instagram, it's KaliKitchen_1. And go ahead and turn on that post notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload a new video. So this is my shrimp. It's already clean and washed and also deveined. I also have my jerk seasoning. I also have my all-purpose seasoning. I also have some black pepper, some parsley flakes, and I also have some paprika that I'm gonna go ahead and add to my shrimp. And I will also go in and add my hot and spicy jerk seasoning. Now you guys don't have to use the hot and spicy jerk seasoning. You can always go in and use the mild jerk seasoning depending on your taste. So if you want it to be a very spicy, you can use the hot and spicy jerk seasoning. Now if you don't want it to be too spicy, now you can always go in and use the hot and spicy, or you can always go ahead and combine both the hot and spicy and the mild together if you want. All right, so once I'm finished seasoning my shrimp, I'm gonna go ahead and just cover it, leave it in the fridge for roughly about an half an hour before preparing. All right, so now it's time to start preparing my pot jerk shrimp, and I have some skewers that I'm gonna just push through my shrimp, and I'm gonna place at least 5 of them on the skewers. And while I'm doing this, I have my frying pot on the stove with some butter. I'm gonna allow it to melt. So guys, once again, remember to subscribe and turn on your post notification bell. Remember to share with your friends. We're on our way to 5K subscribers, and I want to take you guys along the journey with me. So as I said earlier, this is the pot. And I also added a small amount of butter, allow it to melt. So I'm gonna go in and just add my shrimp. Now guys, remember shrimp doesn't take long to cook, so within 5 minutes this is ready. So I'm gonna spin them over on the other side, give it 2.5 minutes, flip it over on the other side, allow the other side to cook as well, and then I'll come back and show you guys the final product of my pot jerk shrimp. Alright guys, so this is the final product of my pot jerk shrimp. Really easy and simple recipe. I hope you guys enjoy this one. I hope you guys go ahead and hit that subscribe button already. Remember to share, remember to turn on your post notification bell, and remember to leave a comment and like, and tell your friends, tell your family members about Kali J's Kitchen. Thank you guys so much for watching, and see you tomorrow for another awesome recipe. Bye.